Are you thinking of updating your balcony? Wondering what railing designs are trending right now? In this video, we'll explore the latest balcony railing design ideas that blend functionality with modern aesthetics. As more homeowners focus on creating outdoor spaces that are both stylish and practical, balcony railings have become a key design element. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the top modern railing trends and how they can transform your balcony into a standout feature. So, let's get started. Importance of balcony railing designs. Balcony railing designs are more than just a safety feature. They play a crucial role in defining the overall look and feel of your outdoor space. A well-chosen railing can enhance the architectural style of your home, making your balcony an extension of your interior design. Beyond aesthetics, it's important to remember that balcony railings also serve a vital function in ensuring safety. Balancing style with safety is key when selecting the perfect design. By considering both elements, you can create a space that is not only beautiful, but also secure for your family and guests. Top modern balcony railing design trends. When it comes to modern balcony railing designs, there are a few standout trends that are capturing attention. First on the list is glass railings. These are perfect for those who want to maintain an open, airy feel on their balcony. The transparency of glass railings allows for unobstructed views, making them ideal for properties with scenic surroundings. Plus, their sleek and minimalist design adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Glass railings are not only stylish, but also durable, often made from tempered glass for added strength and safety. Next, let's talk about metal railings. Metals like stainless steel and aluminum are popular choices for modern homes. Stainless steel railings offer a clean, polished look that complements contemporary architecture. Aluminum railings, on the other hand, are lightweight and resistant to corrosion, making them a practical choice for outdoor spaces. Both options provide a modern, industrial vibe that is perfect for those looking to make a bold statement with their balcony design. Another trend that's gaining popularity is cable railings. Cable railings have a distinctive, industrial appearance that fits well with modern design sensibilities. The thin cables create a sense of openness while still providing the necessary safety features. They are low maintenance and offer a unique, sleek look that is both functional and stylish. If you're drawn to a minimalist aesthetic, cable railings might be the perfect choice for your balcony. What do you think so far? Do you have a favorite railing design? Let us know in the comments below which style you're leaning towards, or if you have other design ideas in mind. Materials and finishes for modern balcony railings. Choosing the right material and finish for your balcony railing is crucial in achieving the desired modern aesthetic. Glass, metal, and wood are the most popular materials for contemporary designs. Glass railings, with their clear or frosted finish, offer a sleek, modern look that works well in both urban and natural settings. They blend seamlessly with any environment, making them versatile for various design styles. Metal railings, particularly those made of stainless steel or aluminum, provide a clean, industrial vibe. Stainless steel is known for its durability and polished finish, while aluminum is lightweight and resistant to rust, making it ideal for outdoor use. You can choose between a glossy, matte, or brushed finish to match your home's style. For those who prefer a touch of warmth, wood railings can be incorporated into modern designs as well. A well-treated wood railing with a natural or stained finish can add a cozy, organic element to an otherwise contemporary space. When selecting materials and finishes, consider how they complement your home's overall design. The right combination can enhance your balcony's look, making it a standout feature in your outdoor living area. Balancing functionality and style. Balancing style with functionality is key when choosing a balcony railing. While aesthetics is important, the primary purpose is safety. Opt for materials like stainless steel or tempered glass that offer both durability and a modern look. Consider factors like weather resistance and maintenance needs to ensure your railing remains both beautiful and practical. Think about how the design fits into your daily life. Will it obstruct views or require frequent upkeep? By considering both form and function, you can create a balcony that is safe, stylish, and perfectly suited to your home. Maintenance tips for modern balcony railings. Maintaining your balcony railing is essential to keep it looking its best and ensure its longevity. For glass railings, regular cleaning with a mild detergent and water will help prevent smudges and keep the glass clear. Metal railings like stainless steel or aluminum should be wiped down periodically to prevent the buildup of dirt and moisture, which can lead to corrosion over time. A simple solution of soap and water usually does the trick. If you have wood accents, it's important to treat them with a protective sealant annually to protect against weather damage and keep the wood looking fresh. By incorporating these simple maintenance routines, your balcony railing will continue to shine and complement your modern home design. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored some of the latest trends in balcony railing design, focusing on modern aesthetics that blend style with functionality. From sleek glass to durable metal and unique cable railings, there's a design to suit every home and taste. As you plan your next renovation, consider how these ideas can transform your balcony into a stunning, safe, and functional space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home design tips, and share it with friends who might be looking to update their balcony. Let us know in the comments which railing design caught your eye.